Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today we're diving deep into the world of Microsoft stock, looking at how recent news and events have impacted its price movements. Recent news and Google searches reveal a mixed outlook for Microsoft. While some analysts have raised price targets, citing strong cloud revenue growth and the potential of AI integration, others express concerns about market saturation and increased competition. Let's start by examining the daily chart, focusing on the overall trends. We can observe a clear upward trend over the past few months, punctuated by periods of consolidation and minor corrections. The recent drop in price could potentially be a healthy retracement before another bullish run. Notice the significant volume increase during the recent price drop. This suggests a possible sell-off driven by market sentiment, possibly influenced by negative news. Zooming into the 1-hour chart provides a more granular view of these price fluctuations. We can see periods of higher volatility following the news releases and price target adjustments, providing more evidence of market sentiment impacting price. Looking at specific ranges of candles on the hourly chart, we see several instances of support and resistance levels forming around key price points. For instance, the 420 to 425 range seems to have acted as support during previous dips. The 15-minute chart reveals even shorter-term trends and reversals. Here, we can observe how quickly the market reacts to news, showing strong volatility during times of uncertainty. We can also look for candlestick patterns on the 15-minute chart, such as hammers, dojis, and engulfing patterns that might signal potential reversals or continuation of trends. Now, let's discuss key price levels to watch and unbiased predictions. Based on the current chart patterns and news analysis, there is a moderate likelihood of Microsoft testing the 450 level in the short term, provided the broader market sentiment remains positive and no major negative news emerges. However, if the general market takes a downturn, support around 425 could be tested. The longer-term outlook remains cautiously bullish, given the strong fundamentals and potential for AI-driven growth. A major drop below 400 could signal a more bearish scenario. In the short term, a sustained break above the 450 resistance level would reinforce bullish sentiment and increase the probability of higher price targets being reached. Conversely, a decisive break below the 425 support level would indicate a shift in market sentiment and would strengthen the bearish case. Other things to look for are volume increases and decreases. These often correlate with breaking support and resistance levels. Also look out for emerging candlestick patterns for confirmation and additional insights. To summarize, key price levels to watch are 450 resistance and 425 support in the short term and 400 long-term support. Market sentiment, news events, and volume changes will ultimately determine the direction of MSFT's price.